If you've not watched this video, then I'll ask you to go and do it again, because I did a very incredible video talking about why a model in Ethiopia cannot work in Kenya, or a model in Nakuru does not automatically mean that it will function in Eldoret or in Kisumu. What I mean is that there's more deep understanding to markets than just copy pasting a business models. And I have this example with me. It's a report on Safaricom, and currently we know that Safaricom had moved, or basically scaled, to Ethiopia, and there's interesting things happening there. And here's the difference. In Kenya, remember that when Safaricom was set, mobile money transfer was one of the greatest features that sold, right? That is the major thing that got our attention and pushed us into adopting Safaricom, right? But when you look at Ethiopia, when Safaricom was introduced in Ethiopia, what sells out to the markets in Ethiopia is airtime and data purchase, right? They're doing more of airtime and data purchase than mobile payment. Both of the markets have the same features, but at its inception, one market, that is Kenya, went with the mobile money, and then the other market, which is Ethiopia, is going with data purchases. That means that different markets have different needs, different behaviors. If I would have assumed that mobile payment, since it worked in Kenya, will automatically be adopted in Ethiopia, then that will be wrong. And that is what's happening to Safaricom. As a matter of fact, with the purchase of data, there's no much profits I'm seeing here, because there's no transaction cost being being cut there, right? The revenue that they're making they're making is like 0.5 shillings per month per user, because there's no transaction cost going with purchase of data compared to the huge profits that are making in Kenya per user, which is at 374 approximately, due to more of like the mobile transfer. But whichever the case, I want you to understand what I've said. Don't copy paste models without understanding.